Okay guys, I want to continue with the question. So I want to see if these two lines are parallel or not. So which lines? Yeah, I want to see if this line is parallel to this line. So I want to see if this point lies on this line. So I would say 9 and 12 equal S, 3 and 4. So that means 9 equal 3S and 12 equal 4S. Are we gonna get the same S? Yes, S equal 3, S equal 3. So there is one parameter here. If I use it, I will produce this point on this line. So this point lies on this line. That means these two lines are parallel, but not only parallel, they are coincident. They are lying on the top of each other. This is how we prove this. Okay? So the idea is, are the direction vectors scalar multiple? Yes. Check, see if this point lies on the other line or one of these points lie on this line. If yes, that means they are coincident. If not, they are parallel. So how we check? We substitute in the equation. So we get the point from the second line. We substitute here and we see if we get the same S or not. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about Cartesian equation of a line. I used to explain where the formula came from, but for the circumstances we have now, I will just give you the formula and we're going to apply it. So I told you I told you find the equation of a line that's perpendicular to this vector. How many lines are there? This one, all of those. But if I told you find the equation of a line that's perpendicular to this vector and passes through this point, you will only have one line. So in order to find Cartesian equation of a line, we need one point on the line, two normal vector n to the line, and n has coordinates, let's say a and b, and the point on the line has coordinates x sub 0, y sub 0. Now what will be the Cartesian equation? It will be ax plus by plus c equals 0. So what does that mean? I take the components of the normal vector, I put them in front of x and y, and I use this coordinates for x and y and solve for c, and I will have the equation, the Cartesian equation of a line. This works only in 2D. It doesn't work in 3D. Okay, I will explain why when we get to 3D. Okay, so let us have an example. Write the Cartesian equation of a line passes through point A, which is 4 and negative 2, and perpendicular to n, which is 5 and 3. Cartesian equation is ax plus by plus c equals 0. So a and b are the coordinates of the normal vector, so 5x plus 3y plus c equals 0. How can I find c? I will substitute with the coordinates of A, of the point that lies on the line. So 5 times 4 plus 3 times negative 2 plus c equals 0. So 20 minus 6 plus c equals 0. So c will equal, this is 14, negative 14. So the equation will be 5x plus 3y minus 14 equals 0. This is the Cartesian equation if we know the normal vector and the point on the line. Now, there's two things I want to if I want to find the angle between the two lines, angle between two lines is the angle between their direction vector. So if this has direction m1 and this has direction m2, the angle between these two vectors, we can say two lines, we can say it's the angle between these two vectors, two direction vectors. So we know how to do that. Cosine theta will equal m1 dot m2 over the magnitude of m1 times the magnitude of m2. This is how we find the angle between lines. We find the angle between their direction vectors. Also, we can use the angle between their normal vectors n1 and n2. Okay, so if I have two lines and I want to find the angle between them, I can find the angle between their normal vectors. So it will be n1 and n2, the same thing. The third thing, if these are two parallel lines, n1 and n2 must be scalar multiple of each other. Parallel lines has n1 equal k times n2. Scalar multiple. Example for that. Let's say x minus y plus 3 equals 0. 2x minus 2y plus 11 equals 0. If that, you see the normal vector of the first one is 1 and negative 1. The normal vector of the second one is 2 and negative 2. That means if I multiply this by 2, I will get this vector. So normal n1, k times n1 equal n2. That means those two lines are parallel. What if the whole equation is multiplied by number? Like I have x minus y plus 3 equals 0. The other one is 2x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. In this case, this is coincident line. Same line. Because simply I can divide by 2 and get the same equation. So, let us summarize what we are saying today. The first thing, to write a Cartesian equation of a line in 2D, we need a normal vector to the line and a point. These are the components of the normal vector, direction vectors or their normal vectors, okay, using the dot product. Parallel lines, parallel and disconnect lines, separated lines, n1 has to equal a scalar multiple of n2. Coincident lines, the whole equation is multiplied by a number, okay, scalar of each other. Alright, this is what I wanted you to know about Cartesian equation of a line. Alright, tomorrow we're going to learn vector and parametric and symmetric equation of a line in 3D. Okay, I wish that you have a wonderful day. Keep sending me your questions and keep watching the videos and keep the great work. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.